young fair maid, a garden walking, when a bright young sailor came walking by. He stepped up to her on purpose to view her, for he said, fair maid, could you fancy I 47 long years since I have courted a sailor. It is 7 long years since he went to war. It is 7 long years since I have courted a sailor, but he'll come back and he'll marry me. Oh, maybe he's married, perhaps he's drowned, or maybe he sails on the ocean blue. Oh, if he's married, I wish him pleasure, and if he's drowned, I hope him rest. And if he sails on the wide blue ocean, for he'll come back and he'll marry me. For it's do you see that high, high castle, all decorated with lilies white? I will give you gold, love, I'll give you silver, if you say you will be mine this night. Oh, what care I for your high, high castle? Oh, what care I for your lilies white? Oh, what care I for your gold or silver, if my dear belly was here this night? He pulled his hand from out of his pocket, his fingers being both long and small. He pulled out a ring which had broke between them, and when she saw it, she dropped it down. He picked her up into his arms. He gave to her a sweet loving kiss, for I am your true love, and I'm your belly, and I've come back